नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल कायरोप्रैक्स में, जहां पर आपको मिलेंगे दुनिया के सबसे बेहतरीन कायरो प्रैक्टिशनर्स और उनके द्वारा किए गए ट्रीटमेंट। इनकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी, जहां से आप इन्हें डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। दोस्तों, चैनल को बनाने का मकसद एजुकेशन और एंटरटेनमेंट है, तो आप इनमें से किसी भी ट्रिक को अपने आप करने की कोशिश ना करें, क्योंकि ये सभी कायरो प्रैक्टिशनर्स जो हैं वो बहुत ही ट्रेंड और एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं। तो मिलते हैं वीडियो के अंत में, और आज हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर स्ट्रैटन पॉल्सन।
Too bad under the rotation. Now what about if I pull here? If I pull like this, is that relieving at all?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels better. Okay. So maybe a little bit compressed there. Let's see if this one kind of behaves the same way. So if we come up this way, anything?
Yeah, it's the same.
Same. Okay, sorry. What about here?
Not as bad.
Not as bad. Coming here. And then what about if we go here? Not really. Okay. We're a little bit more limited internal on this side. And if I pull here, is this relieving the hip?
Yeah, it's
Feels
better.
a little better. Okay. The hips seem a little bit compressed. Let me try one more thing here. So if you lift your foot here and I'm going to strike the bottom of it, tell me if you have any pain in the hip. Nothing? Okay. We'll do that over here too. Anything? Okay. All right, so we may be a little bit just compressed in those hips. Let's check some of the muscles here. So if you hold your leg here, try and pull your knee to your chest. Okay, I'm gonna resist you. Does that make the pain worse? Okay. And then push into me. Don't send me flying, but just push into me a little bit, okay? Any pain there? Okay. So probably not the actual muscles then. Pull that knee to your chest for me. Any pain? No. And then go ahead and give me a little push. Any pain? Okay. So I think you're just compressed in the hips. So we'll go ahead and adjust your hips as we're looking at everything. And then let's have you go face down now. Okay. And then your arms will go right there. Perfect. Everything comfortable for you? Okay. So, any pain here?
In my lower back, a little
Okay.
bit where you're pushing.
What about here?
No.
Okay. And nothing there?
Yeah, where you're pushing.
Yeah. Is that sharp or dull?
It's pretty sharp.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, okay. Your low back's very tight. Okay, and then most of your pain you're kind of feeling this area. Yeah, we're tight through there too. Okay, so we're gonna start right here, okay? We're gonna do a little adjustment with your rib. My hand's gonna go under your hip, and just leave this hip nice and relaxed for me, okay? And let your belly be loose. We're gonna go here and give you a little push.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
You alright?
oh, it hurt, yeah.
Okay. Is it still hurting or?
It's lingering, but
Okay.
I know I need it though.
Yeah, take a breath, take a couple breaths. So we got those ribs real good. That moves real well for
Yeah.
us. It can be a little bit intense if you've never been adjusted before. How are we doing now? A little better? Okay. Okay. Is this as sensitive as it was?
Not as bad.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna come in right here, okay? So this is gonna be similar to the other one. We'll try and take it nice and easy on you.
You're fine.
Okay. Breathe in. Out. Good. Loose belly. Good. Okay. Now, is that as bad as the other one?
No, because I knew it was coming.
Because you knew, okay. Because it didn't surprise you. Good. Okay. Definitely got some stuff going on with these ribs. And right here as well. Okay. So, oops, sorry. Okay. Let's have you turn your face to the left and lay your head flat. Good. I'm going to uncover your ear there for me. There we go. Okay. So we'll lay the head flat. I'm gonna go right, nice and loose, your head loose. I'm gonna give you a little push, okay? Good. Okay. Not too bad. So you go back face down again. Okay, good. That's starting to loosen up there. So we're gonna do these ribs here. So let's have you go ahead and roll face up for me. And then let's scoot you down a little bit. Perfect. Okay, a little more actually. Right there. Okay. So how this one's gonna work is we're gonna do your ribs. So this hand is gonna go on your collarbone, and this hand is gonna reach down my back like you're trying to grab the top of my pants. Okay, so you're trying to give me a little hug. My hand's gonna go underneath you. Okay, so good. And then let your shoulder and arm relax. Right here. Breathe in. Out. Good. Loose shoulder. Perfect. Is that okay? All right. We do a similar thing on this other side. So this hand will go on your collarbone. Good. This hand will reach down my back. Good. Okay. Good. Breathe in. Out. Loose shoulder. There we go. Okay. Take a breath. So those ribs can be a little bit rough. But how are we feeling so far?
Good.
Good. Okay. So let's go ahead and adjust your low back and your hips, and then we'll come up to your neck, okay? So let's have you roll on your side. You'll face me over here. I'm going to lift this up. This will be like a little shelf for your head. Perfect. Bottom leg straight, top leg bent. Good. I'm going to pull you off your shoulder, and then we'll go right there. Okay, so this first one's going to be for this joint here where your tailbone and your hip come together. Okay, so take a deep breath in for me and out. Good.
No.
Okay.
Whoa. That was crazy.
Kind of wild, huh?
Yeah.
Felt okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go over to the other side. Okay, bottom leg straight, top leg bent. Good. I'm gonna go right there and here. Okay, this side's for your low back. We're gonna go right there. Okay. Breathe in. Out. Good.
No. I didn't think we could actually crack that one.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna adjust your hips. So I'm gonna drop this down for you. Okay, so I think we're gonna decompress you a little bit. See if we can open that up. So slide down on the table a little bit for me. Perfect. Okay, so let's have you lift your head up for me, and then we'll set this right under your neck. Good. Okay, now if I pull here, no pain, right? Just a little stretching. Okay, so we're gonna decompress you. So, deep breath in, out. Good. Loose, loose, loose. Good. Okay.
That's good.
Yeah. And I felt that all open up. So that'll help take a lot of the pressure off, especially where those nerves come out at the upper part of the neck and go to the back of the skull and can kind of trigger migraines and stuff. So, okay, let's put this up. And then let's see how all that feels now. Scoot up towards me one more time. Good. Okay. Yeah, that's starting to calm down. Are you as tender right here as you were before? Good. Okay. And then if I press right here, are you getting anything into your eye?
Not so much the eye, but right where like the back of the head is.
Okay, back here.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So this is called the sternocleidomastoid. It's a little muscle here in the front of your neck, and it can cause a lot of headaches too. So we'll give this a little bit of attention here. Doing okay? Is that headache sensation starting to reduce?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, and then tell me if we get anything into the head over here. Perfect. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll have you get up and we'll try a few of those motions again and see how everything feels by comparison. So I'll have you stand here and we'll do our toe touch and our back bend. Looks like we're bending a little bit more from the low back.
Mm-hmm.
How's that feel?
It's like a lot better.
A lot better.
Yeah, it's not as strained.
Well, have you been backwards like you did before? Yeah, still a little bit tight there.
Yeah, the lower back.
Does it feel better than before?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're moving a little bit better there, but I can still see that you're kind of strained as you're trying to come back. And then let's have you have a seat again, and let's try some of those motions with your neck. So you go chin down to your chest, try and touch your chin all the way if you can. Good.
Dr. Vitali Kazakvich.
Hi guys.
Go! How do you feel?
Fine. Thank you.
Painful?
Mm-hmm.
Does it hurt?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Relax. Oh, yes. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good for you.
Yes, very well. I'm fine.
Good. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. How old are you?
22.
Relax, relax, relax. Very well. Relax. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. It's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Very well. Nice. How do you feel?
Fine.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes.
No.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Relax. Does it hurt? Relax. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Are you okay? Yes. Very well. Nice. Relax, relax. Okay.
Yes.
Does it hurt? No? Relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Turn around. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Relax. How do you feel?
Fine.
Nice. Relax, relax. Relax. Okay. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. How do you feel?
Normal.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. How do you feel?
Fine.
It's okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. It's okay. One more. Hands behind head. Relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Are fine?
दोस्तों वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें ताकि आने वाली नई वीडियो आते ही आपको पता चल जाए। और मिलते हैं अगले नई वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।